Hello, Craig.
Hi. Okay, Horizon came and they put in a, I don't know what to call it, a wet bar, kind of a wine area that I wanted. I didn't have anything there before, it was just completely blank for 8 years. And then they also put some floating shelves in the media center here, and same thing, I just had kind of a real cheap thing from Costco. So obviously it looks a lot better. And then I also had them redo the laundry area around the corner. And that looks 100 times better. So they did a great job, and I'm very happy.
Thank you so much. It looks really beautiful. Enjoy it. I will show a little bit around. And I will take them to the laundry too. Those are custom shelves. Let's go.